Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are swatching It's Easy as ABC, an exclusive charity polish from Don Deeva Cosmetics that will be releasing tomorrow, Friday the 10th. This is a really beautiful kind of blue jean, blue hollow base. It's got little hollow flakes and so much holographic micro glitter in it. It is so pretty. I'm not big on the holographic flakes. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I saw that in the description, I was like, oh no, it's gonna have too many flakies. But the flakes in this are actually like really small and fine. So you notice like the little pop they give, but they're not overwhelming and the texture is not insane, if that makes any sense to you guys. It should if you watch any of my weird swatch videos. This applied really well for me. In one coat it did seem super sheer. On the second coat I thought I was going to need to go in for a third, and under these lights it kind of looks like I should have had to, but I didn't. This actually went on opaque in just 2 coats. I even threw down a third coat on my nails after I took my photos to see if a third coat was any different, and it wasn't, so I just left it at the 2. This is really pretty. This is going to retail for $14 and is going to be available with a lot of other releases tomorrow, which I may have swatches of posted tomorrow, but I may not have those posted until Saturday. Either way, I will be posting more swatches for the new releases she's putting out. They are sexy. I have a link to the Don Deeva shop in the description box, as well as the Facebook group where you can get a lot more info and see other swatches. As always though, I hope you liked this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials, and I will see you guys next time.